So in today's video, we are going to be making that viral video called the $1 Million Spaghetti. It is similar to a big spaghetti with a little bit of a flair of Alfredo. If you want to know how to do it, let's go spice things up.
You want to start out by cooking your spaghetti noodles like it says on the package to do. I am cooking 2 packages. Next, you'll want to cook up 2 pounds of ground beef. Once your meat is cooked about halfway through, you'll want to add 1 diced onion and 1 diced bell pepper. Stir it up till it cooks evenly through. In the meantime, when my water is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and add my spaghetti noodles and a little bit of oil so that your noodles do not stick. Now I'm adding my seasonings, which is garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and Johnny's seasoning salt. After that, I'm adding my pasta sauce. You can add spaghetti sauce, marinara sauce, any kind of pasta sauce. Stir it all together. Now my noodles are done, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the burner and kind of let them cook a little bit in the hot water. And I'm going to start on my Alfredo sauce. Now I'm draining my noodles. You want to add 2 sticks of butter and melt the butter. Once your butter is melted, you'll want to add about 6 big garlic cloves. So I'm going to mince 6 big garlic cloves right into the butter. Go ahead and stir that together. Next, we are adding some heavy whipping cream. We are going to add 1 quart, which is also 4 cups of heavy whipping cream, and 10 ounces of shredded Parmesan cheese. Next, we are adding some ground pepper. Stir all your ingredients together till it thickens up a little bit. I'm just simmering my meat mixture so it thickens a little bit. And then I am going ahead and putting my noodles in a lasagna pan. Now my sauce has thickened a little bit and the cheese is melted. And so I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pan. So I just want to put it all over the noodles and then go ahead and stir it up so the Alfredo sauce is mixed right into all the noodles. Now I'm patting my noodles down. Next, you want to go ahead and add your meat sauce right on top of the noodles. After you go ahead and pat your meat down, you want to add a nice layer of mozzarella cheese right over the top. You want to put your lasagna or casserole dish in the oven. Make sure it's preheated to 375. You want to have it in the oven for about 30 minutes. You can tell it's done when it's bubbling up on the side. And when it's done, you can go ahead and serve it and eat it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, and talk to you later.